Introducing the planCoo Starter Kit, a simple, affordable way for small teams to get started. Let's get your profile ready. Next, set up your company. Next, take a moment to update your company details, such as country, logo, and other key information. Now that your company is in place, let's structure the organization chart. The planCoo Starter Kit lets you set up 5 units to get started. You can choose between sub-companies, departments, and teams when building your structure. Your starter kit includes 5 user licenses. Now, let's go ahead and invite a user. Once the invitation is sent, we just wait for the user to accept it from their email. Let's head over to one of the departments. Now it's time to create our first project. Once the project is created, it will be visible in the department or team's project gallery, as well as in the parent company under Member Projects. Now, let's update the project. We'll build a simple plan divided into 2 phases. Click the Snapshot button. After capturing the timeline, a screenshot becomes visible on the project site. Use the project feed to stay in touch with your team and to share news on the project's public site. Now, let's add a few members to the project team. Use the search function to find and add other users in the ecosystem. Now we reach the unique strength of the tool, the collaboration map. It gives you a clear, living overview of how your organization and projects are connected. Now, let's open one of the team's public sites. Share the QR code in the corner to give visitors access to your company or department's page. They'll be able to explore the organization map, read updates in the company feed, view projects in the gallery, and navigate into each project's public page for more details. They'll also discover the impressive collaboration map, showing how the team collaborates seamlessly across companies, across borders, across the entire ecosystem.